Your liver can be seriously damaged long before you notice anything, because early liver disease often develops silently without obvious warning signs. And what makes this dangerous is that liver damage usually follows a progression, quietly moving from one stage toward another. It may begin with excess fat, then inflammation, scarring, cirrhosis, and eventually liver failure if the underlying damage continues. So today, we're following that entire journey step by step, revealing what happens inside your liver before serious symptoms appear. The first stage is fatty liver, when too much fat begins accumulating inside liver cells instead of being properly processed. This condition is often associated with metabolic problems, excess body weight, insulin resistance, diabetes, certain medications, or excessive alcohol consumption. What makes fatty liver particularly difficult to recognize is that many people feel completely normal while these changes are already happening. You might have no pain, no obvious warning, and no reason to suspect your liver is struggling at all. Sometimes fatigue or mild discomfort may occur, but these symptoms are non-specific and cannot reliably tell you whether liver damage exists. And this is where the story becomes important, because simple fat accumulation does not always remain simple if the underlying cause continues. Inflammation means liver cells are being repeatedly injured, while the body's repair systems become increasingly active in response. When the liver remains under stress, some people develop inflammation, creating a more concerning stage of liver injury. The cause matters because treating the underlying problem may help reduce continuing injury and potentially prevent the disease from advancing. This inflammation can have different causes, including metabolic liver disease, alcohol, viral hepatitis, autoimmune conditions, and certain medications. But when inflammation continues for years, another process can begin, and this next stage involves something called fibrosis. Fibrosis is essentially scar tissue developing inside the liver as the organ repeatedly attempts to repair itself after ongoing injury. A similar principle applies inside the liver, except the scarring occurs within an organ responsible for hundreds of essential functions. Imagine repeatedly damaging the same area of skin. Eventually, the repair process leaves behind thicker, less flexible tissue. Early fibrosis may produce few noticeable symptoms, which means someone can have progressive scarring without realizing anything significant has changed. Fortunately, fibrosis does not automatically mean liver failure, because addressing the underlying cause can sometimes slow or improve the process. But if the injury continues unchecked, scar tissue can become increasingly extensive and begin changing the liver's normal structure. That brings us to cirrhosis, a stage where widespread scarring has significantly altered the architecture of the liver. Instead of healthy tissue functioning normally, extensive scar tissue interferes with blood flow and reduces the liver's ability to perform essential tasks. Cirrhosis itself can exist in different stages, and early compensated cirrhosis may still produce surprisingly few obvious symptoms. This is why feeling normal does not necessarily prove that the liver is completely healthy. As cirrhosis becomes more advanced, however, complications can start appearing, providing important clues that liver function is becoming impaired. One possible complication is acides, where fluid accumulates inside the abdomen and can cause visible swelling or increasing abdominal discomfort. Another is jaundice, which can make the skin and whites of the eyes appear yellow as bilirubin builds up. The liver also helps produce proteins involved in blood clotting, so advanced disease can contribute to easier bruising or bleeding. And when the liver struggles to process certain substances, toxins can affect the brain, causing confusion or unusual changes in alertness. These complications signal a major shift, because the liver is no longer simply showing internal scarring, it is losing functional capacity. At this point, doctors may describe the condition as decompensated cirrhosis, which carries significantly greater health risks. But there is still another level of severity, when the liver can no longer maintain enough essential functions for the body. This is liver failure, which can develop gradually after advanced chronic disease or suddenly under certain circumstances. Severe liver failure can cause profound jaundice, dangerous bleeding problems, fluid accumulation, confusion, extreme sleepiness, and multiple organ complications. In advanced cases, transplantation may become necessary because the damaged liver can no longer adequately support the body's needs. However, here's something extremely important. Fatty liver does not automatically mean someone will eventually develop cirrhosis or liver failure. Progression varies between individuals and depends on the underlying cause, duration of injury, genetics, metabolic health, alcohol exposure, and other factors. That's why the goal isn't to panic about liver disease, but to recognize potential problems early and investigate them appropriately. Doctors may evaluate liver health using blood tests, imaging, medical history, and sometimes specialized tests that estimate the amount of scarring. Liver blood tests can reveal important clues, but normal results do not always rule out significant liver disease. Imaging tests can examine liver structure, while specialized techniques can estimate stiffness and help identify possible fibrosis. Symptoms alone cannot determine the stage, which is why proper medical evaluation becomes especially important when liver disease is suspected. The good news is that several liver disease risk factors can be addressed, especially when changes begin before advanced scarring develops. Protecting your liver starts with addressing its risks, maintaining a healthy weight, staying active, limiting alcohol, and managing metabolic conditions. Knowing your blood sugar, cholesterol, weight, and blood pressure can also help identify metabolic risks linked with liver disease. Because liver disease can remain silent for years, waiting for obvious symptoms may mean missing an opportunity to detect problems earlier. From early fat accumulation to advanced liver failure, the key difference is recognizing risk early and taking liver health seriously. If this video helped you understand liver damage, share it with someone you care about, and subscribe for more evidence-based health education. Remember, liver disease can have many causes, so persistent symptoms or concerns should be discussed with a qualified healthcare professional. Understanding the stages helps you recognize why liver health matters, why early evaluation matters, and why prevention should never be ignored. Your liver works quietly every day, so don't wait for damage to become obvious before you start paying attention to it. If you found this helpful, like the video, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe to Health Journey for more health education.